Hello, so in this video I am going to show you how to revive a synthetic wig. So this is what my wig looks like. I got it in 2000, sorry. So this is what my wig looks like. I got it in like 2020 and we are actually in 2024. I never washed it and it's high time for me to revive it. So the first step will be to brush so as to detangle. This is very dry. Fortunately, the wig does not feel anything. Hopefully. So this is what it looks like now that I thoroughly brushed it. Now I'm actually boiling some water, so I have to boil water and put this plus shampoo and fabric softener in the water. So we're going to the next step. This is the shampoo that I'm going to use. This is the fabric softener that I'm going to use. I bought it just for this. So I started with the shampoo, now I'm adding the diluted fabric softener. I hope not putting too much of it. Time to add the boiling water. Here it is. And now the wig. So it's supposed to soak in this for 45 minutes to an hour. Like, I wish you would smell this. It really smells amazing. So after this, it's supposed to get so soft. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. So I basically have to brush through it once more and then take it out for it to dry. So this is what it looks like after brushing. Time for it to dry. I'm going to take it out and let it air dry. Okay, so this is basically what the wig looks like now. Still not yet perfect. So I'm going to use this. I'll brush it for the finishing touches. Okay, so after brushing it with my Revamp brush, this is what it looks like.